Welcome to Factory to Home, where we explore the complete journey behind the products we use every day. Today, discover how a smartphone is made.
Every smartphone begins with raw materials mined from the earth. These minerals are refined before entering advanced electronics factories. Advanced photolithography builds billions of microscopic transistors, creating powerful processor chips from a single silicon wafer. Automated robots precisely place hundreds of electronic components onto the motherboard before heat permanently solders every connection. Robotic assembly combines the battery, motherboard, and display with microscopic precision, transforming separate parts into a complete smartphone. Every smartphone undergoes automated quality tests to verify its display, cameras, battery, wireless systems, and overall reliability. After passing inspection, smartphones are packaged, shipped through global logistics networks, and delivered safely to customers around the world. From minerals beneath the earth to advanced factories and global delivery, that's the incredible journey behind how a smartphone is made.